Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of NEBO Unboxed. My name's Zach, and today I'm unboxing the Inspector 500 Plus by NEBO. It's a rechargeable waterproof pen light and expandable area light that uses flex power, meaning it can be powered by the included rechargeable battery, or you can use two regular AAA alkaline batteries. You'll find all the light mode information printed on the gift box, but let's get it out and take a look. The first thing you'll notice when removing the Inspector 500 Plus from the box is its sleek anodized aircraft-grade aluminum body. Beyond giving it a streamlined look, it's also a practical way to protect the light. It has an IPX7 dust and waterproof rating. Let's open the box and slide out the Inspector 500 Plus and the micro USB charging cable. Printed on the inside, you'll find the operating and charging instructions as well as warranty information. Before we can walk through the features of the Inspector 500 Plus, you'll need to remove the paper disc covering the battery connector on the inside of the battery compartment that prevents the light from being turned on while in transit or in a store. Simply hold the body of the light and turn the orange end counterclockwise. Once the cap is removed, tip it over to slide the paper disc out. Once the disc is out, you may dispose of it and reattach the base of the light by screwing it back on clockwise. At this point, you may also want to remove the sticker on the base of the light that reminds you to take out the paper disc. Okay, so here it is, the Inspector 500 Plus. This 2-in-1 pocket light with expandable area light is perfect for everyday carry. With 4 light modes, including a 500 lumen turbo mode, it's sure to be your next favorite NEBO light. Weighing in at only 2.2 ounces, it's 6.3 inches when it's compacted and 6.5 inches when it's extended. More on that later. First, I'd like to point out a couple of useful features. For starters, the Inspector 500 Plus has a very strong belt and pocket clip, and on the bottom, you'll notice the magnetic base. Next, to charge the Inspector 500 Plus using the included 10850 battery, you simply grip the grooved section of the Inspector 500 Plus here and pull down to reveal the micro USB port. Plug the micro USB end of the cable into the light and the USB end of the cable into your charging block. The Inspector 500 Plus includes a charge status LED indicator during charging, located by the charging port. When plugged in and charging, the light will shine red. When the battery reaches 100%, the light will change to blue. The recharge time is approximately 2 hours. The Inspector 500 Plus also gives you the flexibility to run off 2 AAA alkaline batteries. Just unscrew the orange battery cap, remove the rechargeable batteries, and insert 2 AAA batteries, positive side first. Then replace the battery cap. Okay, so now it's time to take a look at the power of this versatile light. To turn it on, press the magnetic power button once. The light will immediately turn on in high mode, which is 250 lumens for up to 3.5 hours of runtime, shining at a distance of up to 98 meters or 321 feet. Now, since the light has been on for more than 8 seconds, the next time I press the power button, it will turn the light off. However, if you press the button a second time, within 8 seconds of first turning the light on, the light will change to the next mode, which is low. In low mode, the light is up to 25 lumens for up to 8 hours of runtime, shining at a distance of up to 31 meters or 101 feet. When I pressed the button to change modes, you might have noticed that the light did not instantaneously change from high to low mode. Instead, it faded to it using NEBO's Smart Power Control feature. This feature ultimately reduces power consumption, helps extend battery life, and allows the user's eyesight to adjust easier as the light changes modes or when it is powered on. When the light is on in any mode, press and hold the power button to activate turbo mode, which is up to 500 lumens for 30 seconds, shining at a distance of up to 142 meters or 465 feet. After 30 seconds, it will return to the previous mode. Double tapping the power button will activate strobe mode, which is up to 250 lumens for up to 2.5 hours, shining at a distance of up to 98 meters or 321 feet. From strobe mode, press the power button once more to return to the previous mode. NEBO's direct to low feature allows you to turn the Inspector 500 Plus on in low mode by pressing and holding the power button from off. Pressing the button again will change to high mode. As if these modes weren't impressive enough, what sets the Inspector 500 Plus apart is the expandable area light. We've already seen how it pulls down to reveal the charging port, but when you grip the end of the Inspector 500 Plus and pull up, it expands to reveal a 360-degree area light. The Inspector 500 Plus area light also has 4 light modes. When you press the power button, it turns on in high mode, which is up to 200 lumens with a runtime of 3.5 hours, shining at a distance of up to 11 meters or 36 feet. Pressing the button within 8 seconds will change it to low mode, which is up to 20 lumens with a runtime of 8 hours, shining at a distance of up to 6 meters or 19 feet. In any mode, when the area light is expanded, pressing and holding the power button will activate turbo mode. In turbo mode, the area light will shine up to 400 lumens for 30 seconds, shining at a distance of up to 16 meters or 52 feet. Likewise, in any mode of the area light, when you double tap the power button, you activate the area light strobe mode, which is up to 200 lumens with a runtime of 2.5 hours, shining at a distance of up to 11 meters or 36 feet. To transition back to the spotlight, simply push the end of the Inspector 500 Plus back toward the body of the light. That completes the mode cycle of high, low, turbo, and strobe modes using a single press of the power button. The last few things I want to mention about the Inspector 500 Plus are that with the charging port securely closed, it is waterproof with an IPX7 rating and impact resistant with a 1 meter drop rating. While the charging port is open, the light is susceptible to water damage. Also, the LED in the Inspector 500 Plus has NEBO's standard expected minimum lifetime of 50,000 hours. Okay, so that's the Inspector 500 Plus from NEBO. This powerful pocket light really is a dynamic duo. At 6.5 inches and up to 500 lumens, the Inspector 500 Plus adapts to your lighting needs, all with a simple slide. Well, that'll do it for this episode of NEBO Unboxed. Once again, thanks for joining me. I'm Zach, and I'll see you next time.